Okay, so I just got done changing the oil in this 2024 Toyota Highlander hybrid. I'll show you how to reset the maintenance required notification so that goes away. It won't come back on for another 5,000 miles. So you get in, you press your power button, it'll turn on. You can see maintenance required, visit your dealer. So press the back button. Over here on the left side, you can see you scroll down to the second from the bottom, the settings. Then from there you go over to the right to the second set of icons. Go to the second last one, press and hold OK. You get over to this one, go down to scheduled maintenance, push OK to reset, click yes to reset the scheduled maintenance, and that's all you have to do. It's reset and won't come back on for another 5,000 miles. Thanks.